Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the Discord app if it's not working on your iPhone. If there is any issue connected with the Discord app, then these 5 simple solutions in the video should for sure help you. And the first one, as you can see, I have the Discord app right here, is updating the Discord app. So let's go to the App Store, then go to search and search for Discord. Now, even if it says open right here, still click on the app icon and it may say update here. If it does, click on it and wait until it updates. If it has updated, then there's a high chance of it working now. And also, if it still didn't help, then go to the settings. In the settings, let's review the permissions, because this is also a very common thing that the permissions have been set in a way that doesn't allow the app to function properly. So go to apps, then find Discord. And now you will see different permissions. You'll probably have a bit more if you've used the app for a bit longer than me, like the photos, the camera, microphone, and all of that stuff. So make sure that you have all the permissions that you want to grant, they are enabled. And if there is any permission that you deny, of course you have right to it, but you need to know that it will just probably, the features connected with that permission won't work. So that's very important to have in mind. And also the mobile data is quite important. If there is background app refresh, then it will be also quite important for the app to function properly. Now we can get to the next step, which is restarting your phone. This thing often helps. This is a very simple thing and it often fixes everything. So just press on the power button combined with either of the volume buttons and hold, then slide to power off and wait for 10 to 15 seconds. Then press and hold on the power button until it shows the app logo on the screen. Release and wait. Now I'm gonna unlock the phone. And if it still doesn't work, then we're gonna reinstall it. But before we do, make sure that you will have access to your Discord account, since there's a chance you will be logged out after you reinstall the app. So either have your password saved somewhere, memorized, or maybe your password is already saved in the passwords app on your phone. So check it out, and if it is there, then you don't have to worry. And if you're sure that you will be able to log in after you reinstall that app, then just press and hold on it, click on remove app, delete, then go to App Store and search for Discord. Now download it and wait until it gets downloaded. If after the reinstall it still doesn't work, then there is the last solution, which is freeing up some space, because each of the apps on your phone, including the Discord, requires some free space in order to cache some temporary files. And in order to make that space, go to settings, then iPhone storage. And you can see that I have quite a lot of free storage. like over half of my actual storage is free. But if you have like around 200 megabytes on your phone, then it may be insufficient. So you may need to either uninstall or offload an app. Deleting the app will delete the app size and documents and data, and offloading will reduce app size to 0, but the documents and data will stay. So if you reinstall that app in the future, it will still have the documents and data saved. So it's just up to you. If you don't care about your documents and data, or you're not planning on reinstalling that app in the future, maybe it's better to delete it so it doesn't waste any space. And now, since we have that done, it should be working. But if you can't really uninstall any app, then you may head to Photos, because in Photos there will be photos that you probably don't need. So you can easily click on select the photos that you don't need, just like that, and then click on the trash, delete these items, and now you can scroll down. By the way, videos also take up quite a lot of space, so you may want to delete videos. You need to have in mind that deleting these items just like that doesn't delete them permanently, so they won't really free up your storage. The only thing that does that is that it moves it to recently deleted folder for 30 days, and it's great because it gives you a chance to change your mind and recover it potentially. But if you want to free up your storage right now, then you should get to the recently deleted folder. You can unlock it with your Face ID or passcode, and now you can select the photos and videos that you really want to get rid of right now, that you really don't care about. Then click on 3 dots and click on delete. Now they have been deleted, so your storage has been freed up. And if all of this didn't help, then it's probably not your phone's fault. It's just that either the Discord servers aren't working. This is pretty uncommon, but it has happened in the past that the Discord servers have been down for a few hours. You just need to wait. Or it's that the Discord needs an update that hasn't been yet rolled out, and you may frequently check the App Store for available updates, and if there is any, install it and maybe it'll work. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.